Alright, let's embark on a journey through an alternate universe where Elon Musk never founded SpaceX. Fasten your seatbelts, because it's going to be a wild ride. Scene 1, the rise of other space companies. In this parallel cosmos, other private space companies are the rock stars of the space industry. Picture this: Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin is not just a side gig, but the main event. Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic is not just a hobby, but the talk of the town. Without SpaceX stealing the limelight, these companies are the poster children of space exploration. It's like a cosmic version of America's Got Talent, and everyone's auditioning for the lead role. Scene 2, NASA's Golden Age. Meanwhile, back on Earth, NASA is living its golden age. With no SpaceX to outshine them, public and government support is pouring into our National Space Agency like a waterfall. Imagine scientists at NASA having the resources to dream bigger, to venture further, and to explore the unexplored. It's like Christmas morning at NASA every day. Scene 3, a cleaner space. Now, let's talk about space debris. Without thousands of Starlink satellites whizzing around in orbit, our space is as clean as a freshly vacuumed living room. Aliens zipping past Earth don't have to worry about a traffic jam. It's like SpaceX was the party guest who never showed up, so there are fewer empty soda cans lying around. If you are enjoying the video so far, a sub to the channel will be amazing, since we are almost getting to our 100 subs mark. Scene 4, a healthier planet. And speaking of clean, our dear Mother Earth is breathing a sigh of relief. Fewer rocket launches mean less damage to our atmosphere. It's like Earth just got a break from a chain-smoking roommate. Scene 5, a bustling marketplace. The commercial spaceflight market resembles an open marketplace rather than a monopoly. Companies big and small are vying for their share of the pie. It's like Black Friday sales, but for space travel. Scene 6, the slow lane. But every story has its villains. In this case, it's slow progress. Without SpaceX pushing the boundaries, we're stuck in the slow lane on the highway to space. It's like trying to reach Mars on a bicycle. Scene 7, the pricey ticket. And speaking of slow progress, let's talk about the cost of space travel. Without SpaceX's reusable rockets, space travel is still a luxury only a few can afford. It's like wanting to buy a Ferrari on a Honda budget. Scene 8, the Mars Mirage. Next up is Mars colonization. Without Musk's ambitious vision, our red neighbor is still waiting for its first human visitor. We're all dressed up for the Mars party, but we can't find the venue. Scene 9, the lonely ISS. Without SpaceX's cargo resupply missions, the International Space Station, ISS, is like an island waiting for supplies that come far and few between. Astronauts aboard are rationing their freeze-dried ice cream and longing for fresh supplies. Scene 10, the internet desert. Lastly, imagine a world where high-speed internet is still a luxury for many. Without Starlink's promise of global internet coverage, people in remote areas are still struggling with slow internet speeds. It's like trying to stream Netflix in the middle of the Sahara Desert.